Hi there! Last time we showed the splicing welding of stainless steel. Today we show the filler wire welding of stainless steel. The handheld laser welding machine is equipped with imported optical fiber and can realize outdoor welding. Features of laser welding: 1. High cooling rate, which can weld fine weld structure and good joint performance. 2. Compared with contact welding, laser welding eliminates the need for electrodes, reducing daily maintenance costs and greatly increasing work efficiency. 3. Smooth and good-looking weld seam, fast speed, no consumables, no need for extra polishing processing. If you are interested in laser welding, please continue to pay attention to me. Next time, welding of stainless steel using wire.